Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we're opening a Nike box, a Morrison's truck for Muhammad, 2 next bags, and that's it. So let's open the Morrison's trucks first.
Be very careful with the knife.
Okay. Let me tell you some things about this. So the trailer door's open, of course. It's detachable, the container. That's the best thing about this. Detachable. And the radius of this turn is literally, if it's straight, the front of this can literally turn there. I can show you the back. My dad, it was for £8, but when my dad and my little brother went shopping, I went to Cricket Match, so I didn't get to see what they bought, and it was for £4 on offer.
Mine got.
Okay, so I got some locks. I'll be back when I'm unlocked. So we did it. The locks at the bottom were super tricky. At least we got them. So let me tell you. Okay, so straight. Done that. Turn. We've got full radius. Look at the back.
Mine, no, mine.
Doors open.
Mine.
And it's deep. Wait. Let me show you. It's detachable. It said it is. Doesn't matter. Okay, you take your car. Go. Okay. Now next item.
Get him down.
Sing. We have a next bag. Got the other one. Okay, let's open them and see how they are. Okay. Here. Oh my god. I'll do the same thing over there. Do that, nothing to worry. Let's do this button. Oh, the window we have nothing goes. You got over there. You got the sink there. Okay. This is something. This is from Muhammad. I have no clue what it is, but okay, let's open it and see what you see. Satisfying.
Here. Yes.
Oh, come on. How you doing?
Say it down.
Okay. Muhammad, your turn. I'll do it later. This is a woof shot for Muhammad. Woof. Let me do it. I think I got it, but I just need. What? This is pretty weird. Put that there. Okay, this is a £7 wolf strap. Nice. Okay, so we're going on to the next item. Another receipt. And this is a trouser for Muhammad. Your turn.
Mama.
Got these. Look at them. They're amazing. They're amazing. These are for £8. One more pound than this. Okay, next item. Okay, so let's open the booth. That's shoes for my day. We got a 12 here by me. And we got a Nike receipt. Okay, first we open my 12 for attach. Oh, look at those. They're so bad.
Okay.
I mean, good you dude. They're nice, comfortable, and I wear them like this. This is how you wear trouser. Okay, next time I'll make that shoebox. Oh, look at that whip! Look at that whip right there. Look at the camera. Look at the soap. They're very comfortable. I put my hand in them. These shoes I made in Vegemite. They're comfortable. I put my hand in them. But the inner sole is pink. Who don't want to wear inner sole pink? Doesn't matter. The Nike logo is pink too. Doesn't matter on the shoes. So that's all we have today. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you on the next video.